friend's C706 just got broken into, broad daylight. Busted the window, popped open the hood, and the police have been called, and therefore a report has been filed. Hopefully the cameras got it right there, and we're gonna press charges, or he is, if they can find who did this. But glass everywhere. They even dented it right there.
When the dealership did it, they screwed it up.
And you can see the glass broken, so be careful, people in Baytown area, Houston, because people are savage and they don't care. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are still at Texas 2K23 in Houston, Texas, and we're at a Buc-ee's, and it's a night meet, and we're just gonna get a bunch of rounds and just see what kind of cars are here. Lots of cool cars here, so hopefully the video is good. Hopefully it won't be too long. But anyway, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And let's go ahead and just get the cars into the video. Oh, we're gonna start the video off right with the Corvettes. We got a couple Corvettes coming in. C6. Look at that high ram. Oh boy. We got cars everywhere, guys. Cars everywhere. Oh, look at the puppy. Oh. Man, look at the high ram on this one, too.
I didn't know you had to go. It went that far back.
Oh boy, look at this. Classic. Stingray. I like this Stingray. C6 Grand Sport and another C706. Does this bring back memories?
Yeah, the mine one doing this one.
Got a nice R8 here. I like the red rims on there, V10. Looks real clean. I like it. And then right next to it, lime yellow or green, Shelby GT500. Looks like it's got the carbon fiber wheels, big spoiler on the back, big Wang gang, and he's lost the stock supercharger. He's got the big boy, the big boy. And we got some nice little Viper action. GTR boys. I like that wrap. That looks really nice. Really nice wrap. Oh no, guys, the Popo 5.0 gotta go one time. Pig. They gonna ruin it. Oh guys, I see a red C7 Z06, chrome wheels, looks insane. We got a nice little charger right there, and then little V. Oh, we got him. Hey, is that what's his face right there?
Yeah.
This is our boy right here in the GTR, looking real fly looking. Gotta get the back end. The GTR, son. Man, look at the Wayne gang on that one. Lexus. Wow. Hello 50. Another Subaru. Got a little new edge. Got a nice Evo right here. I like the green color, the black hood. It looks nice. I got a little nice C6 Z06 over here. Some nice little C6 Z06 action. And then right next to it, another 50, ready to go. Camaro. And we got the lines coming. I mean, look at that. Look at that. And then look over here, Hellcat, just parked. Looking real clean. We got the SS. Is that an SS? Maybe. Looks like an SS. Holden. We got a little Catfish Camaro with a single turbo. Got a little some Challenger action. Oh, Shelby. That's nice. Nice little Shelby. Got that purple Mustang. Got that C8. What do we spot right here? We got a nice little Cobra. Oh yeah! Oh, I don't know about that. Little back shot. We got cars up in here, guys. Chop, 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 chop. I spy some more Mustangs. Talk about negative camber. We got a bunch of Camaros coming in. We got some JDM over here. We got a Beamer action. Some Supra action. What's the difference? No, I'm playing. CTSV. The Z01 looks real nice. Got a little bit of Mach 1 action. Mustang. Another Corvette, high ram, Grand Sport C6.
It's got Coyote engine, 10-speed transmission, and the four-wheel drive, and they put a wheel on it.
Oh wow. We got to get these Mustangs right here, especially this orange one. Look at that cow hood, drag wheels set up. That's clean right there. What do we have here? Look at that Evo. Look at that Evo. That is nice. That GTR right behind it. It's got the camo looking wrap on it. Oh my gosh. It sounds nasty. I spy another Corvette, Grand Sport, and red. Perfect. Chop, 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 chop. It's got some chop, chop. Yeah. Oh, we got a Corvette C8 red tube. Wang. Nice. Favorite color. Talon. Like that one. Woo-wee! Up and close, personal. I spy another Stingray. Black on black.